The Electactic portable ice maker delivers fresh nugget ice in minutes, right on your countertop. Compact, fast, and super easy to use, it requires no plumbing at all. Just press a button and enjoy cafe-style ice anytime. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Electactic portable ice maker. Ice scoop, ice bucket. User manual. Product overview. Ice shovel. Ice full sensor. Ice basket. Top cover with transparent. Air exhausting. Water drain cap. Maximum water level. Handle. Ice scoop. Display panel. Selected ice size. Power indicator. Ice full indicator. Water shortage indicator. Button to turn on/off the unit. Select ice cube size. Self-cleaning program. How to use. Open the top cover and remove the ice basket. Fill the tank with water below the max mark. Plug in and press on/off. Select your ice size, noting that smaller cubes are best if the room is under 60 degrees Fahrenheit. The cycle takes 6 to 13 minutes. The ADD water light means refill, and the ice full light means remove ice. Maintenance. Remove the ice basket and fill the tank to the max mark. In standby, press Clean to start the 30-minute self-cleaning cycle. The power light stays on while the S and L flash as water rinses the machine. When done, pull out the drain plug at the bottom to empty the water, then return it to its original position. Smart features? Its sleek, space-saving design fits perfectly on any countertop, making it ideal for kitchens, offices, or dorms. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful ice-making performance without taking up much space. No complicated setup or plumbing is needed. Simply pour water into the tank below the max mark. This makes it quick and convenient to start making ice anytime, anywhere. Ice Maker lets you choose between different ice sizes to suit your drinks. Its full and empty indicators alert you when the ice bin needs attention or refilling. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Electactic portable ice maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Electactic portable ice maker. See you in the next one.